In previous video, we have start our chapter number 6 verbs, and I explain you that the definition of verb and the verbs of doing, being and possession. Now the today's topic is formation of verbs. Now verbs can be formed from nouns and adjectives. जो verbs होते हैं वो nouns और adjective से भी form होते हैं. For example, like apology, apologize from noun, broad, broaden from adjective. Now verbs are also formed by adding prefixes and suffixes and changing the spelling. Here example is N plus danger and danger. Behead, beheaded. Fy, beauty, beautify. And dark, darken. Eyes, sympathy, sympathize. Here students, you get there are two types of formation. Like verbs can be formed from noun and adjective. Nouns और adjective से किस तरह से verb form होते हैं. Then verb जो होते हैं वो adding prefix और suffix दोनों के add करने से भी जो verb हैं वो formed होते हैं. यहाँ पर आपको example given है. Here students, add the given prefixes and suffixes to the following words to transform them into verbs. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ prefix और suffix दिए हुए हैं. आप देखोगे डिफरेंस कैसे करोगे. जिन वर्ड्स के बाद में डैश का साइन है, दीज आर कॉल्ड प्रीफिक्स, एंड जहां पर डैश पहले है और वर्ड बाद में है, ये है सफिक्स. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज प्रीफिक्स एंड सफिक्सेस यू हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म देम इनटू वर्ब्स. यहां पर आपको वर्ड्स दिए हैं तो इनकी हेल्प से आपको इन्हें ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज स्टूडेंट्स ट्रांजिटिव एंड इनट्रांजिटिव verbs. Now transitive verbs are action verbs that have an object to receive that action. Transitive verbs वो होती हैं students जिन्हें हम action verbs भी कहते हैं, जो object के द्वारा जो action है वो receive किया जाता है. Like I baked some cookies, I rode the bicycle, I moved the bed, I stitched a frock. So here you see that baked, cookies, rode, bicycle, these actions are received by the object. Moved, bed, stitched, frock. Intransitive verbs are action verbs but unlike transitive verbs. Intransitive verbs भी जो होती हैं वो action verbs होती हैं, लेकिन वो transitive verbs के जैसे नहीं होती. They do not have an object receiving the action. उनमें कोई object नहीं होता जो एक्शन को रिसीव करे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई लाफ्ड, द हॉर्स गैलोप्ड, द बुक फेल, द सन सेट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड इट. नाउ गो टू द एक्सरसाइज. Circle the verbs in the given sentences and write T for transitive and I for intransitive in each sentences. Now the shelf holds 3 books. Holds. Here this one is transitive verb. This plant has withered. Intransitive. The sound of the choir carried through the hall. Carried. Transitive. The train arrived 4 hours late. Arrived. Transitive. The painting was hung on the wall. Transitive. We must leave the office at 5 p.m. Leave. Transitive. The audience watched the actor. Watched. Transitive. I bought a radio. Bought. Transitive. My sister broke the window. Broke. Transitive. The crowd moves across the field. Moves. Transitive. So students, like that you have to complete this exercise. Now here students, read this sentence where the verb looks like a transitive verb but is actually an intransitive verb. इस sentence को देखिए students, ये transitive लग रही है but ये intransitive verb है. Like I went to the shop yesterday. Here to the shop is prepositional phrase. Yesterday is adverb. So here there is not an object. So this one is an intransitive verb. So this sentence helps you to find the transitive or intransitive verb in this exercise.